Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review Laellium. Laellium is a health supplement designed to support overall wellness and energy in a natural way. It is made with carefully chosen ingredients that aim to improve daily health and keep the body balanced. Many people use it to feel more active and less tired throughout the day. The capsules are easy to swallow, which makes them simple to include in daily routine. Regular use may help boost metabolism and improve digestion. Some users also report feeling more focused and clear-headed after taking it. The formula is made to be gentle on the stomach, so it usually doesn't cause discomfort. Laellium is also appreciated for supporting immunity, which is helpful for staying strong against common illness. It can be taken by both men and women who want to maintain a healthier lifestyle. The package is neat and secure, making it easy to store and carry. People like that it feels natural and doesn't rely on harsh chemicals. Consistency is important with the supplement, and results may become more noticeable over time. It is not a quick fix but rather a support for long-term health. Overall, Laellium offers a convenient, natural way to feel healthier and more energetic. If you want a daily boost for wellness, this supplement may be a good choice. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.